Booking.com Genius discount not showing. How to fix it? If your Booking.com Genius discount is not showing, make sure that you are logged in to your account. So from here, after you open the Booking.com app, you can go to My Account from bottom right and you can see you're connected to a proper account. Now, the second is you have to log in to view your tire status, level 1, 2 or 3. In my case, at the top you can see I have a level 1 account, so I'm definitely eligible for Genius loyalty program right here, and you can just select the find your next stay option. Now here you will find any type of exclusive Genius rewards that you want, so 10% discount on your stays and all of the other options here. So you can simply select that particular option, and after that you have to select a certain property. So let's say I go ahead and look for some property, and sometimes the Genius discount will be automatically applied, but if it is not applied, it might probably mean that that particular property is not offering you the Genius discount. So it does not only account to one property, you can check with multiple properties and see which of these offer a Genius discount. You can find it if they actually offer it. So here you can see under property, you can select available options, 10% applied to the price before taxes and charges. This way you can check your Genius discount on Booking.com. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.